Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I am going to be filming in a very different location to my living room. I am actually at my parents' house for the weekend, so I am here at this beautiful location. They do have a swimming pool, we are very lucky, and I thought it would be the perfect time to film a testing pool toys or water toys video because there's a pool. I don't know how this is gonna go. Fingers crossed it goes well. Fingers crossed these toys are good. And also, lots of people were asking where my bikini was from on Instagram. I'm pretty sure this was from a testing video a little while ago. So I'm pretty sure. Excuse the seagulls. I'm pretty sure that this was from Wish or eBay or Zaffle, and I'm pretty sure it was under £5. So cute bikini. I don't know if it's still available, but yes. So pool toys, we're gonna start with this one because it requires blowing up, so I figured I'd get it out of the way. So this is apparently two log looking inflatable things that you blow up, sit on, and have a little fight with someone else. Something fell off. Oh dear. So this is my little log, and you get two of these. I think it looks like there's definitely two in there, and you sit on the little log, and then I think this is my little log hammer thing, and it has it has handles on it. Okay, that was not expected. So we've got little handles, and you bush and try and knock the other person off. Let's blow this up. Give me 5. There's a wasp. It's gone. It's okay. I don't know what you call this. Like a wood chopped double hammer ended stick. Pow, 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 pow. Oh, that's not gonna knock someone off. No, that would not knock you off, surely. Look, it's just that. Oh, it is quite hard actually. Oh! Mistakes have been made. So this is my buff thing that I don't think is gonna work, but we have one of these, and then we have a log to sit on. Jeez, look, oh my gosh, it's barely blown up. Ooh, there's actually a little dip for you to sit in. Cute. My hair, I'm getting a headache. We have our log. Not gonna lie to you, don't know how easy this is gonna be to get on, but basically you sit like this. Pow, pow, pow. Pool toy number 1. See how it goes. I'm gonna try it first myself, and then Mum has kindly said, well, she hasn't really said she'll do it. I forced her to join in, and we're gonna have a little fight. But first, I want to see if I can get on this thing, which is either going to be really easy or really hard. Oh! No, I thought I was on it then first time. Okay, wait. Okay, and legs off the floor. Okay, you just can't take your legs off the floor, that's not a thing. You've just got to keep... But then if I've got my legs on the floor, then I can just stand here. Okay, so you've got to have your legs off the floor. It's not a thing. Right, Mum, are you ready? I'm not ready. Right.
Ready? Feet are off. Feet are off.
How are you doing that? How?
Jump.
Rubbish. What is this? I just got my eyes closed. What is that? Take your feet off. If anyone wonders where I get my insaneness from, fire towards each other and then feet off. Ready? Ready? Feet off. This is great. Yeah, I got it. Yes!
take it back.
Don't want that one. If you watched my previous Wish bikini video, it's like the last video on my channel, or maybe the one before, then you will have seen me try on this little number, which is, I apologize if it's getting windy, I'm really, really sorry. This little mermaid tail thing, and it didn't really work for me because my feet didn't hold this in place and it all went a bit wrong, but I asked you guys in the comments if I was missing something, or at least I thought it was a rhetorical question, but you guys answered me, and yes, I am missing something. A little fin. This is a magic fin by Planet Mermaid, and it is a mermaid fin that I believe slots into here. I haven't yet figured out if that's gonna fit. I pray that it does, but basically it's a little fin. I ordered this in a UK size 6, and it says on there, make sure that you have adult supervision. So I don't know if that means just generally, you know, this is a one size fits all, or whether I ordered it in a children's size 6. I don't even know if a children's size 6 exists. I don't know, but we're gonna try this. We're gonna hope that it fits into here, and we'll see how this goes. I honestly don't think my feet are gonna fit in these holes. Here goes nothing. Maybe. We're in! That was much easier than expected. Okay. Yeah, but this isn't gonna be. Wait. Oh, this is the most awkward thing. I can't get this in. Oh. I'm a mermaid! Right, okay. Step 2. Get this thing over it. Oh, should I put this on first? I should, shouldn't I? This is the most ridiculous thing. We're in. This thing can go around here, and then there's poppers. Pop ourselves into place. Oui, merci. Now am I a mermaid? Right, no, but seriously, how do I get in the pool? I'm scared. Also, is it cold? Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh no. Right, we're going under.
Come on, Jazz.
Oh, it's really quite cold in there. My feet are lovely and warm. They've got like a wetsuit on. My legs, not so much. It's quite cold. Oh, are you joking, mother? Oh look at it go!
Yeah, get in then.
Wait, no, but look at it.
Off you go. Yeah, there you go.
Jesus,
there
flip.
you go.
Jesus, flipper, get it?
Come in.
Right. This is really hard! Okay, this is not a thing. That is so hard to do. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Do I look graceful? I'm just sinking. Jeez Louise, that's like a workout. I mean, I feel like I've done 10 laps. I think I'm getting the hang of it. Whoa! It's really hard work.
Yeah.
I think we're done for this one. I'll give it a thumbs up because it works, kind of, but I am so out of breath. There's definitely a technique to this that I am not getting. So I'm just gonna leave my fins just here. And we're gonna go on to the next one. So while I was looking for pool toys, this popped up and I thought it looked really, really interesting. So these are refillable water balloons. Refillable, that's great. So they don't actually pop. I think they must just explode, like from a hole, but then surely you would only get wet from that hole. I don't know how these work. You can fill them by the hose, which is what I assumed, or a tap, but you can also just put them in a pool, a bucket, an ocean. So I can just take one of these in the pool and I should be able to make it a water balloon. That's so exciting. Now I'm even more excited to play with them. Okay, yes please, let's open one and see what it looks like. It's a lot of packaging for this. Baubles. Ooh, weird. How on earth? So this is what the balloon looks like up close. It is basically, it is like a tiny, tiny wobble bubble. But it's got a little hole here that opens, and there's a hole in here. But I don't know how in a pool you're gonna manage to actually fill this fully. We'll try it, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully I don't mess it up, hopefully I can. Ooh! So I'm just gonna go for a dunk and see. Well, that's magic. Look at that. That's not bad.
Throw it then.
Catch, Mum.
No. Can you? What do you throw it at?
Looks like a nipple. Mother! And then you can throw it at someone, and I'd assume. Well, did it break? It didn't look like it broke.
Chuck it at that board.
Okay, you're gonna get this in shot.
I'm gonna get it in shot.
You ready?
I'm gonna get it in shot. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Didn't really work, did it?
Hard.
It's not quite what you'd expect from a water balloon, is it? Squidge it.
Yeah.
Well, what's annoying is it's a great idea. It is refillable. It is self-sealable, which is what it says. It just kind of doesn't pop when it hits things. Like, got me a little bit wet. No, just kind of got Mum a bit wet, didn't it? This is a Wave Rider double, and basically it's a slip and slide with water coming out of it all along the slip and slide, and it comes with the little rubber dinghies that you jump onto. What I will say is it's obviously designed for children, but I am a large child, so oh, it is just designed for children. Normally it says 6+, but it says 5 to 12, so I am out of the age range. That's not fair. This is ageist. This product is ageist. I'm joking, please don't get mad at the product, but we're gonna go ahead and set it up. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've just seen the things that I meant to lay on. This is definitely too small for me. I mean,
the age.
I can pass as a 12-year-old. I need the camera to see this. Look at this. It's not quite as the image, is it? As the image portrayed. Wait, it's getting better. This is great.
3, 2, 1. I like a laugh.
It's really quite cold.
Oh.
I think this is for 12-year-olds.
5.
Right, one more turn.
Are you joking?
No, I like this. It's worse with the mat. I prefer it without. I'm sure if you're 5 it's great, but also it's just soaking the ground because you have to leave it on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna turn this off. So if you watched one of my recent videos, get away, one of my recent Wish videos, I showed you these thingies and I said that I'd test them and then I completely forgot to do so. So we're gonna try swimming with these, and they're meant to be webbed hands and make it easier. They don't really do anything. Yeah, I'm gonna give that a thumbs down. See if I go faster with them or without them. We'll see how long it takes me to do a length. Okay, maybe it makes a big difference. Yeah, okay, maybe they... Yeah, okay, they work.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, it's a lot slower when you just got your hands.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, fine, I'll give them a thumbs up. I've changed my mind. Okay, yeah, they're good. They're good. I've got one last thing to try on. And I kind of want to see Mum's face. Oh my god, my dad's coming. Wait.
Can I look?
Go on then. What do you think? Yeah?
Terrible.
What are you thinking? How does it look? Dad, did you for a second think I was naked?
Well, no, I thought it was very rude costume.
kind of looked naked, tried it on, and as it was going on, my dad walked around the corner, so that was embarrassing for a second. I was like, Dad, I'm not naked. So I think I'm meant to be a man due to the chest hair. It's my swimming costume. Not too sure who would wear this. Let me know in the comments if you would. But yeah, so that is it for today's video. I really do hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up for me, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye.